Hey y'all, welcome back to Spirited Outdoors. I'm out here putting up some lights. You see I got one further down yonder, one right here. I'll link these lights in the description. This is an alarm. I think I showed them last year at some point. You see on my corn, I showed you right here, the deer is biting the top side of it. Y'all look. Now they haven't, here it go off. It picked up my motion right here. It's a motion alarm with a blinking light. It's got 4 different modes, and I'm gonna walk off because it is annoying. This seems to work better than electric fence. And the reason is, when you put an electric fence all the way around your stuff, you can't get in there to apply it without having to take it down. It's just a hassle. It will keep the deer out until they learn to jump it. Obviously, you can add another strand. I mean, there's a lot you can do. You can make it work. There's a lot of stuff people will tell you, oh, put hair in bags, hang old shirts out, put a radio out there, battery radio playing, put pee in something. And I mean, all of that stuff works, okay? Every bit of it will work. Soap, anything you do, and it'll work for about 3 days. Once those deer get used to it, because, see, they're up here close to my house. These are not deer off down in the middle of the swamp somewhere. These deer are used to people. They know that we ramble around out here, and they know about when we go in the house. I mean, these deer are pet deer, basically. One of them I raised. In fact, if you go back and watch my hunt videos, you see me watching him with a coyote chasing him across the field. And I hate to shoot these deer. I'm not above shooting them. If I shoot them, I will do it at night and eat them. Be prepared, but I really don't want to. So these lights are the best thing that I have found to keep deer out of the garden. We don't have a lot of problem with rabbits in the spring. They have plenty to eat away from the house. Now late in the fall, when we start putting cabbage in the grass, they'll eat the cabbage. And then when my corn starts making, I fight the squirrels on it. I may move them once I pick the peas. Last year, I was letting my peas dry, and we moved the lights or done something. I think I took them and put them on another spot for my dad, or we took them down around the pumpkins with the hogs. I think that's what it was. We took them down there to try to keep the hogs out of that down there. And then the deer come up here, and I had already picked my peas, and the deer came up here and ate the seed up. So I didn't get a lot of my own seed back. So anyway, this year, and I'm going to walk on over here while I'm talking to you guys and let y'all see the garden. You see I got 3 rows of corn and then 1 pretty row of peas. It needs fertilizer. It's turning yellow, so I've got to come put some ammonia. There's 4 good rows of peas right here. And then these 3 I planted really thick. This is the top pick purple hull. And I actually 4 rows, and they are doing really good. I come in here and plowed them the other day. So what I'm doing, these lights charge up. We've got 4 of them. I have some more that I'm ordering. I'll put a link down to where you can order these lights. These particular ones work the best. Some of those other ones are cheaper, don't have a siren on them. Some of them are just 2 flashing lights. Some of them are not motion. They just a light that blinks all the time. And some of that stuff, it needs to startle them deer. Like, it don't need to be playing where they used to it. When they walk into it, it needs to come on and spook them. And that is the reason these particular ones work, in my opinion, better than the other ones. So if you need something to help patrol the deer, mainly, I don't know how well that would work with rabbits and squirrels and things, smaller game. And I put them about chest high because they pan down and up, and they'll pick up the deer, and they've got about a 180 almost, not quite 180, probably about 150 radius that they pick up. So I put them, you see, on the edge of the garden. I've got 1 over here and 2 over there right now. There's 1 more that I've got on a charger charging. And then once you put them out here, there's a solar panel on the very top of it that helps to keep them charged throughout the season. And this is the 4th year I think we've had these particular ones. So they last, they work for you. One more thing I did want to say, I've got my bandana on. Happy Memorial Day. Today is Memorial Day. Remember all those that gave their lives for us to have the freedom that we enjoy. I did want to mention that. So celebrate today. I'm actually working on the camper, tinkering in the garden, gonna work on some pottery, may go do some fishing. So anyway, little tip on helping you with your deer. Thank y'all for watching Spirit of the Outdoors. We'll see you next time. Remember, the best way to do things is the way you like to do it. We'll see y'all.